Hi everyone, my name is Nur Aisha Nainira binti Muhammad Ali. I'm from Group 5. So today I would like to present about macroeconomic tutorial question. Chapter 8 from is employment. So first question is the Department of Statistics Malaysia announced that in 2005 of all other Malaysians 47,500 we are employed. 379,100 we are unemployed, and 5,628,800 we're not in the labor force. Use the information to calculate. So A, the older population. So the formula is number of employed plus number of unemployed plus the number of people not in the labor force. So you can get the answer. Older population is 16,555,400. So B, the labor force. So the formula is number of employed plus number of unemployed. So you can get the answer of labor force is 10,926,600. So C, the labor force participate rate. Formula is labor force divided by all the population multiply by 100. So you can get the answer of labor force participate rate is 16%. So 16%. So D, the employment rate. Formula number of unemployed divided by labor force multiply by 100. So you can get the employment rate is 3.47%. So question number 3 is the following workers more likely to experience short-term or long-term employment. Explain. So A, a construction worker laid off because of bad weather. So the situation is short-term employment. Whether the problem or temporary job may be extended. So for example, a bad weather is temporary disruption and construction project typically resume once condition. So once condition improve, so the worker is likely to be rehired by the same employer or find similar worker quickly. So B is a manufacturing worker who lose her job at a plant in an isolated area. So this situation is long-term employment. So limited job opportunity may need to relocate. So such as the worker may face difficult finding new employment due to limited job opportunity in the isolated area. So relocation or retraining might be required, which could prolong employment. So C, stagecoach industry worker laid off because of competition from railroad. So the situation is long-term employment. So irrelevant skill due to technological change. Structural employment. So where the entire industry is become obsolete due to technological advancement, such as railroad replacing stagecoach. So the worker may need significant retraining or relocation to find worker in a different industry. So D, a short order cook who lost his job when a new restaurant opened across the street. So the situation is short-term employment. So skills are easily transferable and demand for chef remain high. So where this is an example of frictional employment. So where the worker is likely to find similar job at another restaurant or the new competitor. So short order cooking skills are generally transferable in demand. So E, an expert welder with little formal education who lost her job when the company installed automatic welding machinery. So the situation is long-term employment. Unemployment, obsolete skill, need retraining, such as structural employment. So where automation as replace a worker specific for skill set. Since the worker has limited formal education, retraining for a new role may be more challenging, leading to prolonged unemployment. So question number 5. Consider an economy with two labor market, one for manufacturing workers and one of service workers. Suppose initially neither is unionized. So A, if manufacturing workers form a union, what impact on the wages and employment in manufacturing would you predict? So my answer is, if manufacturing workers form a union, wages will rise due to collection, bargaining. However, this will likely lead to reduced employment, as a higher labor cost may cause employers to cut jobs or hire few workers. So this is a common result in unionized industry where wage increase can reduce job availability. So question B, how will this change in the manufacturing labor market affect the supply of labor in the market for service worker? What will happen to the equilibrium wage and employment in this labor market? So my answer is, this change in the manufacturing labor market will affect the service sector, as displaced manufacturing workers seek employment there. So this will increase the supply of labor in the service sector. So which will likely lower wages. However, the lower wages will encourage employers to hire more workers, so that's increasing employment in the service sector. So that's all for me. Thank you.